The Skaggs Foundation has been in our community for over 20 years.
The Skaggs Foundation has definitely evolved since 2002. The initial first 10 years, we were primarily focused within the four walls of the hospital. But since then, over the last decade or so, we have really expanded our mission to assist organizations that are promoting health and wellness throughout Stone and Taney counties.
The Skaggs Foundation makes a huge impact for many people in our community, from birth to seniors.
There's a lot of needs that just aren't covered. We have a lot of uninsured and underinsured people here.
The Skaggs Foundation serves on average 50,000 individuals throughout Stone and Taney County each year.
It provides so many services that a lot of our people in our community would not have access to.
Everywhere throughout Cox Medical Center Branson, you will see a footprint that the Skaggs Foundation has made an impact upon.
I've been coming to Cox Branson for 2.5 years for my cancer services, and it's been a tremendous financial burden for us. The Skaggs Foundation provides me with gas cards. The gas cards have been such a tremendous gift because my husband has to take off work. Sometimes he doesn't have vacation pay, and without the gas cards, we wouldn't be able to go back and forth to my appointments. When we're here for the day getting our treatments, the Skaggs Foundation provides us with a little packet lunch, so then that way we don't have to worry about leaving here and going and having another expense of having to go to eat.
From the cancer center to the women's center to the emergency room, we are here to provide the best services and facility for all of our patients throughout Stone and Taney counties.
Social workers here at Cox Branson help folks get to where they need to be when they're discharged from the hospital with all the tools they need to be successful after their discharge. The Skaggs Foundation is a very important part of our role here at Cox Branson. You know, we are a rural hospital and people come in without even basic necessities. Thanks to the Skaggs Foundation, we are able to provide people with prescriptions, with oxygen, with sober living, with wheelchairs, with walkers. They come through for us every single time. We just couldn't do what we do and help the people we help without them.
The Skaggs Foundation makes a huge impact on our hospital, but we also make a huge impact throughout Stone and Taney counties.
I think the services that we have received through the Skaggs Foundation have helped our community to be healthier. The hydration stations that Skaggs provided us with allow the students to fill up water bottles so that they can drink throughout the day. The vision screeners are a tool that the school nurses use to do annual vision screening. In my personal experience, I think that I am catching vision issues that I wouldn't have caught just with the old-fashioned eye charts. The telehealth visits that we have through the Skaggs Foundation, it's literally like seeing a provider, it's just over the computer. The telehealth visits are so important. Some of our parents don't have transportation to get them to a doctor. They may not have insurance, so they either have to go to the ER or to urgent care. These telehealth visits cut down on time that the kid is missing from school, as well as the financial burden, not only on the family, but on our community.
The Skaggs Foundation, in general, is the bedrock of our community.
The Skaggs Foundation, unknown to most people, is giving over $1 million a year to the different cities and villages, organizations in those, in Stone and Taney County to help them support their missions of helping people have better health.
We provide funds for the boots on the ground that make a difference throughout our counties.
The Skaggs Foundation has been integral in our ability to host senior exercise classes. The Skaggs Foundation allows us to offer these classes for free to seniors who may be on a fixed income and couldn't afford a gym membership. We wanted to start a walking club for the seniors, and the Skaggs Foundation has been great to help us give prizes to incentivize our seniors to get out and walk and get healthy. I cannot tell you how grateful we are and appreciative of the support that the Skaggs Foundation has given us.
The Skaggs Foundation needs your help.
I don't think most of us realize how important the Skaggs Foundation is until we have an adverse health event happen to us or our family member.
They are a blessing. They are a blessing, and the people that give to this foundation, they're a blessing.
I think it's important to give the Skaggs Foundation because it does make a difference. Because you know that you're donating locally and the money's staying locally to help your workers, your friends, your neighbors, sometimes even your visitors.
The Skaggs Foundation has changed multiple people's lives that I personally know of.
The needs throughout our community are constantly evolving, and we are asking that you would please consider contributing and making a donation to the Skaggs Foundation.
If you can step up and support the Skaggs Foundation, I can guarantee you'll be blessed.
The Skaggs Foundation is here to promote health and wellness, and we're asking you to come along with us.